Welcome to the world of street photography, where every corner hides a story and every shadow whispers a secret. Today, we're diving into the heart of this urban jungle with a camera that's perfect for capturing those fleeting moments, the Ricoh GR III. Compact, powerful, and packed with features, the GR3 is more than just a camera. It's your passport to an entirely new perspective on street photography. With its pocketable size and discreet design, the Ricoh GR III is built for photographers who want to blend into the crowd, allowing you to capture the essence of the streets without drawing attention. But don't let its small size fool you. This camera is a powerhouse, ready to deliver stunning, high-quality images. One of the standout features of the Ricoh GR3 is its design. Weighing just about 257 grams, this camera is incredibly light, making it the perfect companion for a day out on the streets. Its compact size means you can easily slip it into your pocket or bag, ready to shoot at a moment's notice. Street photography is all about capturing those spontaneous moments. With the GR3, you're always ready. Its fast startup time ensures you never miss a beat. And with its stealthy design, you can capture those authentic moments without interrupting the scene. Despite its compact size, the Ricoh GR3 doesn't compromise on image quality. Equipped with a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and a GR lens with a focal length of 28 millimeters, this camera delivers stunningly sharp images with beautiful color reproduction. It's perfect for capturing everything from wide cityscapes to intimate portraits. One of the things I love about the GR3 is how intuitive the controls are. The touchscreen interface is responsive, and navigating through the settings is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, you'll find that this camera adapts to your style. In street photography, timing is everything. The Ricoh GR3's high-speed hybrid autofocus ensures that you capture every moment with precision. Whether it's a fast-moving subject or a quiet moment in a bustling crowd, the camera's autofocus is quick and reliable, helping you get the shot just right. And for those moments when you want to take control, the manual focus ring provides a tactile, precise way to fine-tune your shots. It's this versatility that makes the GR3 a favorite among street photographers. Sharing your work has never been easier. With its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, the Ricoh GR3 lets you quickly transfer your photos to your smartphone or laptop, ready for editing or sharing on social media. This means you can keep shooting while keeping your followers engaged with your latest work. And speaking of shooting, the GR3's battery life is more than adequate for a full day of photography. Plus, with USB-C charging, you can easily top up on the go, ensuring you're always ready for the next shot. In the ever-changing landscape of street photography, having the right tools can make all the difference. The Ricoh GR3 isn't just a camera. It's an extension of your vision, a bridge between you and the stories waiting to be told. So whether you're a seasoned street photographer or just getting started, the Ricoh GR3 is your perfect partner for the journey ahead. Step out, explore, and let your camera be your guide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, reviews, and inspiration. Until next time, keep capturing those moments that matter.